today our webinar about high performance and accurate PDF reduction with the UniPDF, and I will try to tell you more about this stuff. We will also show you some case, like use case we're preparing for you, the example, and at the end we have a question and answer session. So if you have any question, you can ask, use the chat, and we will try to answer for you. So thank you everybody for joining to us today. And my name is Roman, and I'm technical product manager of the UniDoc. Today I'm instead of Maria, and Alip will be tell you more about the technical part and our use case. He our full stack developer, and also he will share this example or tell you more about the code and example. Short introduction about the UniDoc and the UniPDF and UniSuite. Just a few words to know. This product created by two brothers, Gus and Alfred Hall, and started in back 2016. It was launched our first packages as UniPDF and UniOffice in 2017, and after that we are like a top library in Go for PDF and Office using the Go language. Introduction about this one, we using the Go language. This is like library Go package, and everything you need. We have almost all features related to the PDF reporting, PDF editing, merging files, digital signing, text extraction, and many other. You can go to our like the website and check everything there. We have every features and almost every functionality there that's related to the UniPDF product. We also have like separate, this is UniOffice. It's our library package to support Office documentation also and management. This includes like document conversion, document properties modification, filling out the form, creating presentation, also working with the Excel files, and many more stuff. And UniSuite, it's combined. It's when you need the working with PDF and the Office documentation, so you need the UniSuite. This is best option for you and give you access to the PDF and UniOffice and using the like affordable price. Okay, moving forward to the PDF reduction and why this matter. So we know like the real world examples when we need to like hide like sensitive data, not just hide visually, but removing from the PDF, and it can be extracted from the PDF. So this is very important in different fields like legal, documentation, financial, and any other stuff. And mistakes in reduction can lead to very different and very data leaks. And in our like support cases in our product, like the UniOffice, where clients sometimes write us about they need looking for this feature about like PDF reduction, and we have a lot of question about this one. So we decided to create this use case. Common reduction challenges: hiding text remain extractable. So complex PDF internals when you're working with the performance bottlenecks, when you have the multi-language content and different layouts. And common reduction targets, it's like name, email address, phone numbers, card numbers, different financial details, and medical stuff, everything related and need to be hired. Okay, for these examples, you need requirements, simple requirements. This is Go programming languages installed. So at the end of this webinar, you can use our code and try it locally and redact the PDF file in like we provide some PDF file for you, or you can use your own. You need to Git, you need to UniPDF offline license or UniCloud API key. You can register and using UniCloud. You will have 100 free credits, so you can test it. And PDF document that you want to be redacted. Why UniPDF? Select for this task UniPDF written in the Go, and very good for performance and availability. We have a lot of feature for related to the PDF, and you need like text image extraction, merging, splitting, annotation, digital signings, and many more. And how UniPDF redacts. Text is located as a content stream. Front matrix helps pinpoint extract text position, and like probably Alip will tell you more about in example how it will be corrected. Key feature, program introduction via the Go API. We can search about plain text like in the PDF and the data you want to redact, and regular expression. Visual overlay can be confirmed. You can like put the black table to visually hide your data as well, and true content removal from the PDF page. Okay, the goal of this webinar: understand the importance of the critical importance of the PDF redaction and the risk of improper methods. Learn how to use UniPDF and to perform true content redaction, not just visually. Explore this real case, and we prepare this document example. When we hide the sensitive information from this documentation, and like card number, email address, billing address, etc. So Alip, you have your word. You can share the screen and tell me more about like use case and code part.
Yeah, thank you, Arun. So here I'm explaining the complete source code for this webinar, how to redact the PDF using UniPDF. So basically here, the import part is the key package that will be required. First, you need to load the UniPDF license package there, and then creator, model, and then redactor package. So at the first, this init function, we set the license key. Here in this example, we use the Unidoc license APK variable environment. So basically this one is the APK that you get from UniCloud. And here at the main function, we set 3 arguments here. So basically the second argument was this one, the input file, the file that you want redact. And then this the output file, the name of file for redacted PDF. Here we initialize the pattern also using the regex to replace to find out the string and replace it. So here the regex for matching the credit card number, and then this one for email address. Here we search the address, and then we need to find the zip code also here. And then here we use the rectangle properties from redactor package, which is set the rectangle to overlay or hide your data. So basically this fill color, border width, and then fill opacity. But need to be remember, if you set this opacity to 0, it will become transparent. So yeah, here the redact text function. So here it's accept the pattern, and then rectangle properties, input file and destination file also, and it will return an error if there is an error while processing the redaction. So basically first we use the PDF reader from UniPDF. It will read your PDF file here, and then we initialize the redactor for redaction term. So here we compile the regex using package. So here at the option, here at the option part, we set the redactor redaction option and set the term here. And then we initialize the new redactor. It accepts the PDF reader option and rectangle properties. By simply call to redact function, it will process the redaction by UniPDF package. And then here we write it into the destination file. So here after to confirm, after you are doing the redaction, to make sure it's not being just overlaid by rectangle, you can try to extract the PDF content also using UniPDF. Here when I try to extract, so you can see the card number is not able to be extracted, and then billing address also cannot be extracted completely compared to original one. So yeah, this one is the extraction text. As you can see here, you cannot get the email address also, as it is already redacted. So yeah, that's it. So basically you can copy the source code from the keys, and then you can paste it and just run it. You can see how it will work for redaction. So yeah, that's from me, and thank you.
Okay, super. Thank you, Alec. So you can, if you want, you can like sign up in the UniCloud. You will have 100 free extra credits. You can test this example, trying your PDF, trying to redact the data and extract text, etc. And right now, if you have any question, feel free to ask them. Okay. Can you demo post-redaction text extraction to prove no system determines? Okay, yeah, you can try text extraction, and I'll show in this on the screenshot. Let me share the screen. Oh, that you can see. Let me show it. Yeah, we extract the data in the PDF file, and you can see the card number here since we extracted it. You can't also see any summary or probably email about this one, and like not extracted text which we redacted. And you can also like try it using the sum example and some code, trying this one and be 100% sure that it's working. Okay, any other question? Maybe you have any other type of question, not just about the PDF reduction, or like you're using your UniDoc, UniPDF, UniOffice, and have other question related to our product, feel free to ask them as well. We will try to answer. No question? Yeah, we not have enough time like for live demo. I'll like open the terminal, prepare the PDF. Maybe we will do it in the next time. But we have all the tools we give you and provide you all the tools. You can do it by your own using the UniPDF, and we'll check it. No problem. Okay, super. Thank you everybody for joining. I'm super excited to show you this example, and we will send you this presentation to your mail. Everybody get it, and you can test it and ask the question. Thank you everybody. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you and bye.